The internet is a fascinating place, full of opportunities to learn, connect, and even earn. One of the most intriguing trends in recent years is the rise of faceless YouTube channels. These channels have exploded in popularity, attracting millions of subscribers and generating substantial income, all without ever showing the face behind the content. But why are these channels so popular? What's the secret sauce that draws viewers in and keeps them coming back for more? The answer lies in the power of anonymity. Faceless channels allow viewers to focus solely on the content itself, without any distractions from the creator's personality or personal life. This can be incredibly appealing to a wide audience, particularly those who are tired of the constant self-promotion and superficiality that often permeates social media. Moreover, the anonymity of faceless channels lowers the barrier to entry for aspiring YouTubers. With faceless channels, you can share your passions, knowledge, and creativity without ever having to step in front of a camera. Now let's address the elephant in the room. The $900 a day question. Is it really possible to earn that kind of money from a faceless YouTube channel? The short answer is yes. It's definitely achievable. However, it's crucial to understand that YouTube success, especially at that level, doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and a strategic approach. Think of your YouTube channel as a business. Just like any successful business, it needs a solid foundation, a clear plan, and consistent effort to thrive. By building a strong brand, creating engaging content, and promoting your channel effectively, you can gradually increase your earnings and eventually reach your financial goals. Embarking on your faceless YouTube journey can feel like stepping into a vast and unknown territory, but don't worry. This guide will serve as your compass and map, guiding you through each step of the process, from setting up your channel for success to crafting compelling content that keeps viewers hooked. We'll cover it all. You'll learn how to harness the power of voiceovers, stock footage, and animation to create visually appealing videos that captivate your audience. Monetization, the holy grail, will be demystified as we explore various strategies to boost your earnings. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? Let's dive in. Every journey begins with a single step, and your path to faceless YouTube stardom starts with creating your very own channel. Think of this as setting up shop. You need a welcoming storefront that entices potential customers, or in this case, viewers, to step inside. Thankfully, YouTube makes this process incredibly easy and intuitive. First things first, head over to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have one, creating a Google account is quick and free. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will unveil a drop-down menu where you'll select Create a Channel. Now comes the fun part, choosing a name for your channel. This is your brand identity, the name that will become synonymous with your unique content. Take your time and brainstorm different options. Ideally, your channel name should be catchy, memorable, and relevant to your chosen niche. Section 2. Choosing your niche. Finding your passion and audience. Now that you've built the foundation, it's time to decide what you'll showcase in your YouTube shop. This is where choosing your niche comes in. Your niche is essentially your area of focus, the specific type of content you'll create and share with the world. Passion is key when choosing your niche. What are you genuinely enthusiastic about? What topics could you talk about for hours on end? While passion is essential, it's also wise to consider the audience for your chosen niche. Are there enough people interested in this topic to create a sustainable viewership? Conducting some basic keyword research using tools like Google Trends can help you gauge the popularity and competitiveness of different niches. Section 3. Essential equipment. Gearing up for quality content. Creating high-quality videos is crucial for attracting and retaining viewers on YouTube. While you don't need a Hollywood studio setup, investing in some essential equipment can significantly enhance the production value of your content. A decent computer is the backbone of your video creation process. It doesn't have to be the latest and greatest model, but it should be powerful enough to handle video editing software without lagging or crashing. Since you're focusing on faceless videos, audio quality is paramount. Invest in a good quality microphone to ensure clear, crisp audio that keeps viewers engaged. A pop filter is a worthwhile addition, helping to eliminate those annoying popping sounds caused by plosives, like letters P and B. Many successful YouTubers started with their smartphones or basic webcams and upgraded their equipment as their channels grew. Section 4. Mastering the software. Editing tools for seamless videos. Raw footage is just the beginning. To transform your video clips into polished, engaging content, you'll need to harness the power of video editing software. For beginners, free software like iMovie for Mac or Shotcut for Windows provides a great starting point. These programs offer intuitive interfaces and all the basic editing tools you need to trim clips, add transitions, incorporate music, and more. As your skills progress and your needs expand, you can explore more advanced options like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro X. YouTube is your friend here. Countless tutorials and online courses can help you master the art of video editing and elevate your content to the next level. The power of voice, captivating your audience through narration. In the realm of faceless YouTube, your voice is your identity. It's the instrument that breathes life into your content, connects with your audience, and leaves a lasting impression. These elements can transform a simple talking head video, or rather a no-head video, into a dynamic and visually appealing masterpiece. Numerous websites offer high-quality, royalty-free stock footage and animations that you can use in your videos. Some include pixel and animation strategically to create a visually experience that keeps your viewers glued to creating a cohesive brand consistency in style and tone. Imagine walking into a shop where the decor changes every day. One day it's minimalist chic, the next it's rustic farmhouse. You'd likely feel disoriented and unsure of what to expect. The same principle applies to your YouTube channel. Consistency in your visual style, tone of voice, and overall branding is crucial for creating a recognizable and trustworthy presence. Develop a clear brand identity that reflects your niche and target audience. This includes choosing a consistent color palette, font style, and overall aesthetic for your channel art, thumbnails, and video graphics. By establishing a strong and consistent brand identity for your faceless YouTube channel, you'll create a sense of familiarity and trust with your viewers. Section 4. Engaging your viewers. Calls to action and building community. Creating great content is only half the battle. To truly succeed on YouTube, you need to actively engage with your viewers and foster a sense of community. One effective way to engage viewers is by incorporating clear calls to action, or CTAs, in your videos. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and share your content. Ask questions related to the video topic and respond to comments thoughtfully. Go beyond the comments section and leverage other features like polls, quizzes, and live streams to interact with your audience in real time. By actively engaging with your viewers, responding to their feedback, and fostering a welcoming community, you'll create a loyal following that not only enjoys your content, but also feels invested in your channel's success. Section 1. Unlocking the revenue stream. Understanding YouTube monetization. You've poured your heart and soul into creating fantastic content, built a loyal following, and now you're ready to turn your passion into profit. YouTube has specific eligibility requirements for monetization, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch time in the past 12 months. Once you've hit those milestones, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP. This program gives you access to various monetization features, including displaying ads on your videos, earning revenue from YouTube Premium subscribers, and unlocking fan funding options like Super Chat and channel memberships. Remember, monetization is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build a substantial income from YouTube. With consistent effort, strategic planning, and a sprinkle of creativity, you can turn your faceless channel into a profitable venture. AdSense, your gateway to passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, thanks to your captivating videos. AdSense, YouTube's primary monetization method, allows you to generate passive income. It's like having a silent business partner ensuring a steady stream of revenue. Connect your channel to Google AdSense for ad placements and payments. Control the types of ads displayed to align with your brand. Earnings depend on audience demographics, video niche, and engagement. AdSense provides a solid foundation for generating passive income. Keep creating and watch your earnings climb. Beyond AdSense. Exploring affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Diversifying your revenue streams is key to maximizing your YouTube earnings. Affiliate marketing boosts earnings by promoting products or services in your videos. Include a unique referral link in your video description. Earn a commission when viewers make a purchase. Brands may approach you for sponsorships as your channel grows. Feature a brand's product in your video for a fee. Choose brands that align with your channel's theme. Section 4. Building your own empire. Creating and selling digital products. Why settle for a slice of the pie when you can bake the whole darn thing? Creating and selling your own digital products is the ultimate way to monetize your expertise and take control of your YouTube earnings. Think of it as setting up your own bakery within the YouTube marketplace, offering viewers exclusive treats they can't find anywhere else. What unique skills, knowledge, or experience can you package into a digital product? Perhaps you're a whiz at video editing and can create a comprehensive course. Maybe you're a master of productivity and can design a downloadable toolkit filled with actionable strategies. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and expertise. Once you've identified your digital product, create high-quality content that provides exceptional value to your target audience. Promote your product in your videos, social media channels, and email list, highlighting the benefits and unique value proposition. Creating and selling your own digital products not only diversifies your income streams, but also establishes you as an authority in your niche. It's a powerful way to monetize your expertise build a sustainable business, and create a lasting legacy within the YouTube ecosystem. Cracking the YouTube algorithm. Understanding the science of visibility. Imagine this. You've poured your heart into a fantastic video, but it's buried deep within a vast library. Frustrating, right? That's where understanding the YouTube algorithm becomes your secret weapon. Think of it as the invisible hand that determines which videos get seen. YouTube prioritizes videos that are engaging, relevant, and well optimized. Play by YouTube's rules to win the visibility game. One crucial factor is watch time. The longer viewers watch, the more YouTube promotes your videos. Engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares also play a significant role. Crafting clickable thumbnails. Your first impression, secret weapon. Picture you're scrolling through your YouTube feed, bombarded with a barrage of videos vying for your attention. What makes you stop and click? Chances are, it's a captivating thumbnail that grabs your eye and piques your curiosity. Think of your thumbnail as a movie poster, a visually compelling advertisement that entices viewers to click and watch your video. A scroll-stopping thumbnail should be visually striking, high resolution, and accurately represent your video's content. Use bright, contrasting colors that pop on the screen and avoid clutter. Incorporate text strategically, highlighting the video's topic or a key takeaway. Consider using a close-up shot of your face or a relevant image if you're faceless to create a personal connection. Consistency is key with thumbnails. Just like with your overall branding, develop a recognizable style for your thumbnails that aligns with your channel's aesthetic. This creates a sense of cohesion and makes your videos easily identifiable within a sea of content. Don't underestimate the power of A/B testing. Experiment with different thumbnail designs and track their click-through rates. See what resonates best with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, even small tweaks to your thumbnails can significantly impact your video's visibility and viewership. Riding the trend wave, capitalizing on viral content opportunities. Imagine your video skyrocketing in views, shares, and subscribers. Going viral is the holy grail of YouTube success. Tap into trending topics and current events within your niche. Think of it as riding a wave of popular interest. Stay informed by following industry blogs and social media trends. Use tools like Google Trends to identify surging topics. Brainstorm creative ways to incorporate trends into your content. Speed is essential when it comes to trends. Aim to publish while the trend is still hot. Ensure your content is well-researched and engaging. Not every trend fits your channel. Be selective. Choose topics that align with your brand and resonate with your audience. Collaboration is key, expanding your reach through partnerships. In the vast world of YouTube, two heads, or rather two channels, are better than one. Collaboration is a powerful strategy for expanding your reach, tapping into new audiences, and injecting fresh energy into your content. Think of it as a cross-pollination of creativity, where both channels benefit from increased exposure and engagement. Identify channels within your niche, or even in complementary niches, that share a similar target audience. Reach out and propose collaboration ideas that would be mutually beneficial. This could involve creating a joint video, guest starring on each other's channels, or simply giving each other shout-outs in your videos. When choosing collaborators, prioritize authenticity and shared values. Partner with creators whose content you genuinely enjoy and whose audiences align with yours. This ensures a genuine connection and increases the likelihood of cross-promotion success. Collaboration is a win-win strategy that can significantly impact your channel's growth. By tapping into each other's audiences, you'll introduce your content to new viewers, gain subscribers, and foster a sense of community within your niche. So, embrace the power of collaboration and watch your YouTube journey flourish. Your first steps towards faceless YouTube success. You're equipped with the knowledge, tools, and inspiration to transform your creative aspirations into a reality. Remember that $900 a day figure? It's a testament to the incredible potential that awaits those who dare to dream big and put in the work. Building a successful faceless YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges along the way, moments of doubt, and perhaps even the occasional technical hiccup. But it's in those moments of perseverance, of pushing through the resistance, that true growth occurs. Embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and never stop experimenting. Start small, but start today. Choose your niche, set up your channel, and create that first video. Consistency is key. The more high-quality content you produce, the more you engage with your audience, and the more you optimize your channel for visibility, the closer you'll get to unlocking the full potential of faceless YouTube success. The beauty of this platform lies in its accessibility and limitless possibilities. You don't need to show your face. You don't need fancy equipment. And you don't need prior experience. All you need is a spark of passion, a willingness to learn, and the courage to share your unique voice with the world. So, take that first step. Embrace the unknown and watch as your faceless YouTube journey unfolds in ways you never thought possible. The world is waiting to hear your story. Thanks for listening. like, share, and subscribe.